Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian school in Qatar. Today inshallah we will talk about Unit 2 from the 6th grade English for Palestine curriculum, and we will take period 4. So please open your books page 15 and let's start with our title, which is Good Friends. This is our page and we have today 4 activities inshallah. Let's start with the first activity. Activity number 1, look and complete the sentences with the correct words. We have to read them, write their meanings, and then fill the gaps. Quiz, lend, share, someone, crying, invite, understand, give back, argue, and problem. We have here some pictures to make our answers easier. Let's do the first one. Samir doesn't space why his brother won't space his toys with him. What do you think? Samir doesn't understand, very good, why his brother won't share his toys with him. Please pause the video, answer the rest, and then check your answer. Okay. Sentence number 2. I'm going to ask Amy to come to my party. Is there a space you want to space? Is there someone you want to invite? We have party here, so of course we will write invite. So I'm gonna ask Amy to come to my party. Is there someone you want to invite? Here Vanya and Oma are talking. 3, we have here 2 children and we have a baby who was crying. Don't space, said Mom. The baby is space. Don't argue, said Mom. The baby is crying, so don't argue. Number 4. I have a space. I don't like to space things to my friends, but I like to invite friends to my house. What do you think? From this questionnaire, from this quiz about friends. I have a problem. I don't like to lend things to my friends, but I like to invite the friends to my house. And the last sentence, look, Amy. Rania and Amy are talking about something here. They are reading it. Look, Amy. The quiz says I'm a good friend, but I need to tell my friends to give back my things. So this is the result of the quiz, and they are talking about the result of their quizzes. So look, Amy, the quiz says I am a good friend, but I'm a good friend, but I need to tell my friends to give back my things. And let's move to activity number 2. Word compares, read the sentences in activity 1 aloud. You can practice it by yourself, pause the video, read them again, practice your reading, and let's move to the third activity. Before we start with the third activity, which is read and circle the correct words or verbs, we want to revise the past simple from the previous lessons. So what is the past simple? When do we use the past simple? The past simple tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. A completed action in the past. You did it, and you finished from doing it. And we have today 2 verbs. Is, and the past from is was, and we talk it when we talk about singular. And we have here are when we talk about plural. So is a helping verb, verb to be. We have is and are. They are both from verb to be. Is, we use is with singular and are with plural. And because we are talking about the past, we will talk about was and were. Second form from is and are. So focus with was and were. We use was with singular when the subject is singular, and we use were when the subject is plural. Plural means more than one. Let's see and answer the first two together, and then I'll give you some time to answer three and four. One, Rania and Amy were or was happy to do the quiz. What do you think? Rania and Amy. The subject is plural. Rania, one, and Amy plus one. So we have two people. So the subject is plural. Shall we use were or was? What do you think? We should use were. Rania and Amy were happy to do the quiz. Second one, Fatima was or were not a good friend. She didn't give back Rania's book. Fatima was not or Fatima were not a good friend. What do you think? Fatima. The subject is singular. In every sentence in English, the subject is the first word in the sentence before the verb. Rania and Amy before the helping verb. Fatima before the helping verb. So Fatima is singular, so we should use was. What do you think about 3 and 4? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 3. Ben was or were sad and argued with Bilal. What do you think? Ben, singular. So Ben was sad. Very good. 4. Omar invited Bilal to play basketball. We were or was all good friends. What do you think? It's a tricky sentence. We have here we and we have Omar. Who is the subject of these verbs? What do you think? Omar or we? You should notice that we have here a full stop. So this is a sentence and this is another sentence. So you have to focus to the nearest subject before the verb. With we, this is the subject of this verb. And this subject invited is its verb. So we will leave the first sentence. We were or was all good friends. This is our sentence. And because we is a plural pronoun, subject is pronoun, so we will use were. We were. We know that we and they are subject pronouns. We use them with plural subjects. And let's move to the fourth activity. Read aloud, then answer the questions. What did Bilal say? So you have to practice speaking with your colleague if you are in the class, or with your father, mother, sister, and brother if you are at home. What did Bilal say? He said, what do you think? Go away, you are not my friend. Very good. So, what did Fatima do? She left she left Rania's book at home. Not Rania's book. She left Rania's book at home. Excellent. What about the third one? What did Omar do? He invited Bilal to play with Ben and him. Very good. You can practice speaking by asking or answering these questions. Thank you for watching. See you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.